Well, let's begin the broadcast with breaking news coming in. Politics over Prime Minister's address peaks. TMC has now lashed out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Mahua Moitra has tweeted she levels hypocrisy allegation against the Prime Minister. This is what Mahua Moitra has tweeted, and I quote, paying tribute to Sikh saints on Man Ki Baat while trampling on Sikh farmers on Kaam Ki Baat. No one does hypocrisy better than Modi Shah. So TMC has criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his address. Let's go across to Tamal. This, of course, comes ahead of the various visits by top leaders of the BJP in the state of West Bengal and, of course, the upcoming elections. The face-off there escalating between the BJP and TMC.
Well, obviously, Swati, this is the election season, and of course, there would be a lot of charges made against BJP by Trinamool Congress. But at this point in time, yes, it's a tweet which has now come to the fore. A tweet by Mahua Moitra, Trinamool Congress MP, Lok Sabha MP, and he calls it Prime Minister's hypocrisy, which has come to the light, referring to the fact that the farmers' protest, which had been on for such a long time, over a month, the farmers' protest is on. And the central government has failed to, in a way, assuage their tension. The central government has failed to, in a way, buy their confidence or bring them into confidence. Thus, paying to religious gurus could be one thing, but not paying heed to those who follow that same religious guru is nothing but hypocrisy. It's something that Trinamool Congress is suggesting. Well, the Prime Minister in the past 2 days you have seen hitting out at Mamata Banerjee's government. In fact, yesterday you have seen as how, day before yesterday you have seen as how the Prime Minister had taken Mamata Banerjee's name and accused the government of not being, sincere towards farmers. In fact, stonewalling farmer schemes from the central government. And thereafter, the massive face-off which has now erupted between the state government and the Prime Minister. It seems like Mahua Moitra's diatribes are only extension of that face-off between Prime Minister Narendra Modi's BJP and Mamata Banerjee's TMC.
Right. Tamal, thank you very much for getting us the details. Not just the TMC. In fact, the Congress party has also lashed out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Jaiveer Shergill has tweeted, and I quote, instead of Man Ki Baat, Prime Minister should have done Sardi mein baithe kisan ki baat, 30 plus dead किसानों की मौत की बात, किसान पे चलाई गई लाठी, वाटर कैनन एंड टीयर गैस की बात, किसानों को टेररिस्ट कहने की बात, किसान की एक ही मांग वापस लो काले कानून, बाकी सब बकवास. On one hand, where the farmers have agreed to have a fresh round of dialogue with the government, Mr. Jaiveer Shergill has tweeted and he says, किसान सिर्फ चाहते हैं कि कानून वापस लिए जाए. Let's go across to Prashant, who's joining us now with more details on this jibe by the Congress party. Jaiveer Shergill, Prashant, at Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Well, absolutely. The whole of opposition has come out lashing against the Prime Minister over his Man Ki Baat address that happened today. The Prime Minister spoke on coronavirus and a range of other issues, but the opposition says that the most important thing that today, plagues the nation, that is the farmers who are sitting in this biting cold on the various borders of the national capital. And why is it that the Prime Minister, who makes a speech every day on an average, why is it that he is not speaking to the farmers? Because him speaking to the farmers and taking back the farm laws is something that will end the impasse in virtually no time. So clearly this is the reason perhaps why the opposition is lambasting the Prime Minister for his Man Ki Baat address and various speeches that he has been giving on a daily basis, but not speaking with the farmers at all.
Right, Prashant, stay on with us. Let's in fact listen into what the Prime Minister said during his address in Man Ki Baat.
चुनौतियां खूब आई, संकट भी अनेक आए. कोरोना के कारण दुनिया में सप्लाई चेन को लेकर अनेक बाधाएं भी आई, लेकिन हमने हर संकट से नए सबक लिए. देश का नया सामर्थ्य भी पैदा हुआ. अगर शब्दों में कहना है तो इस सामर्थ्य का नाम है आत्मनिर्भरता. कि हम आत्मनिर्भर भारत का समर्थन कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारे मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, उनके लिए भी साफ संदेश होना चाहिए कि वे प्रोडक्ट्स की क्वालिटी से कोई समझौता ना करें. बात तो सही है. जीरो इफेक्ट, जीरो डिफेक्ट की सोच के साथ काम करने का यह उचित समय है। मैं देश के मैन्युफैक्चरर्स और इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स से आग्रह करता हूं, देश के लोगों ने मजबूत कदम उठाया है, मजबूत कदम आगे बढ़ाया है। वोकल फॉर लोकल ये आज घर घर में गूंज रहा है। ऐसे में अब यह सुनिश्चित करने का समय है कि हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स विश्व स्तरीय हो, जो भी ग्लोबल बेस्ट हैं वो हम भारत में बनाकर दिखाएं। इसके लिए हमारे उद्यमी साथियों को आगे आना है, स्टार्टअप्स को भी आगे आना है। एक बार फिर मैं वेंकट जी को उनके बेहतरीन प्रयास के लिए बधाई देता हूं। साथियों, हमें इस भावना को बनाए रखना है, बचाए रखना है और बढ़ाते ही रहना है।
Well, Prashant continues to be with us. Prashant, the politics is going to continue, but there has been a development as well as far as the dialogue between the farmers and the government is concerned.
Well, you see, the farmers had given the government a time of 29th when the farmers said that perhaps, yes, we are willing to sit on the negotiation table, but these are our demands. The agenda has been set by the farmers. The farmers say that mere talking, sitting on the table won't do anything to our protest. We want the laws back. We want promises from you. We want assurance and not anything else, because this is the last time that we are meeting you. So clearly, both the farmers and the government, they are adamant on the fact that perhaps their point is something that needs to be made into. The farmers say we don't want the laws. The government says yes, the laws have already been brought in. There can be amendments, but no rollback is possible. So clearly, the impasse continues. It's day 32nd. We are reporting of Singhu border, and this being a Sunday, we are seeing a huge turnout actually of people, not only who have come out in support of it, but also the farmers who have been continuously joining the protest here at Singhu border.
All right, Prashant, thank you very much for getting us the updates. We're